In this 13,000 square meter modern facility, we deliver high-quality sheet metal solutions to customers worldwide through advanced equipment and efficient processes. Our factory is equipped with industry-leading German Trump CNC punching machines and Hunt's laser cutting systems, achieving high precision and high-efficiency cutting in bending and welding. Our experienced engineers and technicians ensure every process is executed with accuracy. From automated welding and assembly lines to powder coatings and electrophoretic surface treatment, we are fully equipped with end-to-end processes and automation to meet diverse sheet metal manufacturing needs. With a professional production team of over 200 people covering cutting, welding, coating, and assembly, we ship more than 180 containers every month. We maintain a 30-day delivery cycle with an on-time delivery rate of 98.6%. Strict quality control is implemented at every stage, from material inspection and cutting to coatings and assembly, ensuring every product meets the required standards. Backed by an efficient production management system, we can fulfill large volume orders within a 30-day delivery cycle, also achieving an on-time delivery rate of 98.6%, providing our customers with a reliable supply guarantee. Professional, reliable, efficient. This is our commitment to every customer.